Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you, Neha?
Good, sir.
So you are waiting quite a long time for the meeting. I sense.
Yes, sir.
You are waiting for the meeting for quite long time.
Yesterday.
Sharon is speaking or Neha?
Neha.
No, I just got the message. You are waiting for the meeting. Last 20.
No.
No. Okay, okay. So how's connection there?
Now it's fine.
Now it's fine. Okay. Yesterday you joined.
I joined late in the second meeting.
Yeah, yeah. But I didn't see you there. The screen.
I came yesterday pretty late. Second meeting. I didn't join the first one.
Oh, second meeting you have joined it. Okay, okay, fine. Good. So how's situation over there with
Now it's
respect to Corona?
Corona very bad. We are in the red zone.
Usual. Oh, mm. Take care. Here also in Coimbatore also day by day it's getting increased. So good afternoon to all of you.
Afternoon, sir.
I think everyone have joined. Today we can take class on time. Just can you give me just 1 minute time? Just okay, fine. Okay. So good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thomas, am I audible?
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay. Lauren,
Yes, sir, you're audible. Good afternoon, sir.
Sharon.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, you please don't mute it now because yesterday I just that you have many questions, right? So is mole expression is clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
No, no more question on that, I believe.
No, sir.
No. Okay. So today we'll be like first I'll be discussing energy minimization, right? Because we have to minimize that energy of the structures, then only we can take those structures, right? Okay. And if you have any questions, you can discuss also. And if time get over, then you can rejoin it. Yes, I
Yes.
can take 2 sessions. Power supply is not here in my house, and backup I don't know till what time backup will give from like last 4 or 5 year hours. Current is not here. Power supply. So maybe I'll continue for another 2 3 hours, 2 hours at least, right? Okay. I have to complete it before 25th, right?
Yes, sir.
Neha, I still have some problem.
It came back.
Come back. Okay. Okay, fine. So you see that yesterday, actually, you did not notice about that energy value. Actually, everyone is concentrating only the 46, 200. That is the cycle actually, right?
Yes.
So the questions you have sent me in WhatsApp, and I was a bit busy also. I replied some extent, right?
Mhm.
So 46 and 200 is that no cycle number only. And I forgot to show you in between. You have discussed more about that 46 and 200. So I forgot to show you about the energy value, right? So shall we do again the same things, and then we will come to that. Have you gone through the assignment which I have uploaded? At least, have you gone through the hands-on
Yes, sir.
training
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
which I have uploaded in G class?
Yes, sir.
So those things I'll be demonstrating. One part I have completed. I believe that mole expression part. These are the, and mole expressions have that plenty of solutions regarding that recent trends in computer-aided drug design. So if you do by yourself, you can learn many more things. Okay, and this also you have to do by yourself, but I will be demonstrating you because I believe that you are a little slow learner in this because of since this is new subject, right, for you. So maybe I'll be demonstrating to you as Jacob also has requested me to demonstrate, right? Okay, so I'll be doing. So I'm sharing this to you, my screen. This Argus Lab. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Is this visible for all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now you go to that. Neha, yesterday also, like yesterday you have attended this session, na? Second session, right?
I was there when you were talking about the 46, 200,
Oh,
and
that only.
the
Okay. Yeah,
convergence.
anyway, I'm going to talk again that one. Okay. Now I'll show you. I just said that the default number of cycles, because simulations happen based on the number of cycles, any simulation, right? Or if you say that in experimental also, whatever you do experiment, number of cycle is required. Number of cycle what? Different, like if you are using PCR also, right? Right, PCR instrument. In that also, you are giving the number of cycles, different time interval, right? So, so every simulations or every type of this studies need the number of cycles. Right? So by default, in these softwares, number of cycles, number of iteration is given 200, right? But suppose the small molecule is there, a small molecule, definitely will take less time to converge the energy level or to converge that global energy minima or get stability, right? Because and the molecule, small molecule mainly, they don't need more cycle, right? Or they even don't need the less cycle also. So one general parameter is there, an average 200 cycle is mentioned by default, 200 cycle. So it is expected that molecule will get converged, get stability in 200 cycle. It is expected. Even many molecules are there which is having lot of complexity, large molecule, the proteins having that many chains, right? And many heteroatoms, very big molecules. Even 200 cycle is not sufficient to get the stability, to get that global minima position, global minima energy position. Is clear? Right? Is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So now I'll just show you again the same things. I'll just open acetaminophen. Can you see I'm opening that molecule?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? So I feel like this molecule is not stable. Is not stable. Right?
Okay.
So I have to see that energy value of this molecule. So now you can see here, the options is given in that calculations, energy. So here is that already we have discussed. For a small molecule, we use the quantum mechanics based force field. So these are the force field: EST, AM1, PM3, MNGO, Z, INDO, and then a molecular mechanism for big molecules, large molecule, we use that UFF, universal force field, AMBER, assisted molecular building energy refinement. This is one of the force field, right? And calculate properties also. You can do the dipole moment, the kind of charges, ZGO charges, and bond order also, and you can also print that molecular orbital, basic set, and other parameters also. So all these things you keep by default. Only the thing is, you have that questions on that maximum iteration. Iteration is the number of cycles only, right? So again, I will run these things. Again, I will run this start for energy minimization. You can say it's running, and now you can say it has given the energy value in 46 cycle. Can you see that 46 last? Yes. Yeah, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, want to hear from you the response. 46, can you see in that? This task,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
can you see in taskbar?
Yes, sir.
Even
Yes,
that,
sir.
even that, we have given 200 cycle by default. You can say that here number, because here in taskbar, Zoom things are there and others are there, right? So now here you can say the cycle is there. You can see the cycle performing SCF and cycle is there.
हाँ sir, yes sir,
In cycle, the corresponding energy value is there. Can you see that?
yes sir,
So first cycle, the energy value was 41, minus 41.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting? First cycle, energy value was 41. And second cycle, it was 53. And from first 53 minus 53 minus 41, the differences between two cycles is minus 12.46. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Here, first one, you can see here. Difference. Heading, what is that? Heading, cycle, energy,
Energy difference.
right? So from first cycle to first cycle, difference will be 0, no? Minus 41.30 minus 41.30. It will be 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Because self-subtraction is the difference. So second cycle we can measure. So minus 53.77, then minus 41.30. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
That product will be, result will be minus 12.46. Their differences. So first cycle, it didn't get that stability. Then it will go to the second cycle, 53. Then 55. Then their differences is there. Because still it's going on, keep on moving in the next cycle, But molecule did not get that stability. Did not attain the global minimum energy level. Is clear or not?
Oh,
Is clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. Is clear for you, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now if you say that keep on moving and that there are differences from first cycle to second cycle, you just see that now slowly that energy, the differences is decreasing. Are you getting or not? Okay. And finally in 46 and 45, right, the differences are very low. It's almost same from last 4-5 cycles. You can see that. Are you getting? After
Yes, sir.
40, it's almost same. 38, 30, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It say that in 46 cycle, molecules getting got that stability, attain that global minimum position, and their value is minus 73 kilocalorie. AU is there. Unit in SCF, AU is there. Unit, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sometimes the Zoom taskbar is coming up, right? So now the in 46 cycle molecule get that stability. After seeing the repeating cycle, same energy value is coming, same value is coming, because that means that for attaining the global minimum value, energy value, or getting the stability of this molecule, the 46 cycle is needed. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Then only is coming that final energy convergence happen, converged.
Okay, sir.
Is clear for all of you?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
I say example, I give, can you see this screen?
Yes, sir.
I say I am giving 40 iteration only, 40 iteration, number of cycle, right?
Okay.
Yes, and then I start. So now you can say the final result,
It's not-
SCF not converged. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because it's less than 46.
Yes, because the 46 I did not give.
Okay.
Many of you are asking, sir, why you have given 46? 46 I did not give. 46 cycle, in 46 cycle, the molecule got the stability.
Okay, sir.
Attain the global minima. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
And the maximum number of iteration reached, but energy did not converge. Right?
Okay.
Because,
Okay.
and even though energy value is almost same, minus 73, but the softwares is not giving the result because it needs more cycle to see that either it's really occupied that stability or not, global minimum position or not, energy value or not. It's clear,
Yes, sir. It's clear.
right? So now I'll just remove this compound, right, and bring another compound. It means like a protein type of molecule, right? Protein type of molecule, I'll bring it. I just exit it. I'll see that protein, how much is required. So energy value, and then once you do that energy, and then you can save these things. I forgot to save it again. I'm opening energy value, acetaminophen, right? Acetaminophen looks like a trichostatin only. So I say that energy values, you start it. And then you can save this, save as option, save this molecule. Either you can save in mole format or PDB format, whatever you need. You can even have it and save molecular format. Already acetaminophen is there. You just, it's already open. So it's not getting saved, or even that you can save in PDB format if you want. I think this screen is already in PDF format, it has saved. So now exit it, exit. I don't want an AGL file. This is actually the file extension of the software is AGL file. I don't want actually. So now open your protein structure. 1C3R, open it, your protein. Yes, I have opened now protein. Yes. So now I need to calculate that energy value of this protein. So 200 cycle I am given, but here I am changing the molecular mechanics also because it's a big molecule, right? Is it? Okay. So for UFF I am giving, right? So calculate equation charges and all. You can even use that Ember also. Ember you can use it, right? And then you start it. So now you can see here. Crystal is running or some problem is there. This protein. Fail to match atoms because all the proteins are not like are not in pure form in PDB whatever, right? Fail to match the atom N3. You see the what it says? It's coming, it's running. Number having some problems, and that maybe that number force field doesn't support it now. It's also having some warning.
Calculation.
So does not have 3 atoms. So before that, we have to see that we have to optimize the geometry. First, we have to optimize the geometry. If it's having some error, insufficient memory for request this much byte. Oh, calculated properties. Anyway, if we remove this, I feel like if 1 and 2 items because the residues are there, is chain A, chain B, many chains are there. You can see here, right? Chain B, chain A, but A only one chain is mandatory. Other chains are accessory. So even we can delete the chains. We can delete the chains, right? And you can select. So we can do it. Provision is there. We can do it for avoiding the unnecessary complexity. Here TSN is there, and the water molecule is there. Water molecule also can remove the, right? So, but this option is not working now. For energy minimization, some problem is there. I have to find the solution for. Still is running. I don't know. Still is running. Anyway, this entire molecule have some problem, right? We have to check and individually each residues, their bond orders and all. Then we can make it, or we have to remove, right? So if I remove all these things, next procedures which I am going to show you, right? That will make you confused, right? To learning purpose, the docking studies, right? So shall we discuss first docking? Then we will
Yes,
see
sir.
more idea, right? What is the problem in this structure or other structure you try, right? Isn't it? This is the only procedure is there to get that energy value of the molecules, right? Or maybe I'll just restart it, this one. Maybe it's taking, again, shall I open that Octaves? Just a second. Anyway, open PDB. Is it visible for you?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
It's visible, okay. Okay, fine. So UFF start. Some problem is there in water group. does not have 3 atoms, right? If you remove, then you can minimize it. Water atoms and all, if you remove, then we can minimize it. Residues, heteroatoms are there. So all the water molecules from here, if you remove, right? So maybe edit and delete option. So you can say that water molecule has been removed. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Or shall you repeat this?
Repeat, sir.
Yeah, you can see that here water molecules are in selection form, right? So here if you click here, it is in selection form. We have select the water molecule. Which are there, you can say that in yellow squares, all are water molecules in the protein. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Right? So already I have selected, like you can see that here water molecule is there. So individually also you can select it. You can say the visible, right? Can you see that? Different
Yes, sir.
positions water molecule is there. So 506 HOH, 507 positions are there. 508 position water molecule is there. Are you getting? 9
Yes, sir.
position water molecule is there. This is the 3D position, right? So one by one you can select it, or either you can select first one and press control, go to the last control, right? Press control and go to the last, and then shift, not control. For selecting many things, you have to select first one, and then go to the last, press shift, and then you can select it. So I have select all. Have you seen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And then either you can right click on this alone and delete option will be there. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Or you go to the edit and delete option will be there. So water has been deleted. We need to actually remove water for that interaction studies. Why? Because you know that generally we assume that the active site region is hydrophobic region. Because once protein will come in contact with water, and the protein means residues having two highly polar atoms. One is COOH, and another is NH2. These both are highly polar, right? Are you getting? And highly OH, COH is there, na? All amino acids having COH, NH2, R and H, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
R will change, right? Always.
Yes, sir.
But COH, NH2 and H will be remain same, right? If R is
Yes,
H,
sir.
that is the smallest amino acid will be there, glycine, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that's why if water comes in contact with this COH and NH2, it forms the beta sheets and alpha helices and remove
Okay,
that,
sir.
right? And form that peptide bonds. It's clear.
Okay, sir.
So generally we assume that the active site region is hydrophobic region. So that's why water we are removing. If interactions is there in the water, you have to see in leak plot, Lagan plot, in PDB sum. If water interaction is there, so we can keep the waters, but just see that which position water is there. Already you see that position, right?
Yes, sir.
So that things you can keep it. Now you go to the calculation, again you do the energy minimization. Three atoms, again that same problem is coming. Calculation, we'll see the calculations. Energy did not coming the values. Okay, so like that chain also we can remove this amino acids, B chains. Many amino acids are there in B chains. Within 10 minutes, it will remove even that water molecules will be there. I'll just remove the A chain or B chain also. See how it will work. This is the B chain, right? And B chain you can give in different color representations. Now only A chain is there. Only A chain is there, right?
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we are removing the complexity actually. So no waters, calculations, then calculate energy again. Just many atom in C chain. Carbon is coming anyway. Anyway, this one having some problem. The structure itself, I have to find out this problem. Okay, so shall we go to the docking things? It's not getting stabilized. Anyway, we can use this structure. That's not a problem, right? But
Okay,
it's
sir.
not getting that energy values. I have to check this one first, right? So we'll see later. Now we'll go to that
Okay.
docking one. Okay, so these are with plus minus will be there. Whenever you need, you can use this one, right? Okay, different residues, atoms will be there. Residues will be there in chain A, chain B, right? And the miscellaneous will be there, right? Miscellaneous part of that another chains, right? Amino acids, some water molecules. Water already we have removed, na? Miscellaneous. Water is there, and the another heteroatoms are there. So these are the atoms are there. And when we will make the group of two residues or two heteroatoms, that will come under the groups. And whatever we do, we perform that calculations and all, that will store here. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Calculations. Yes?
Yes,
So
clear, sir.
this entire, this my left hand side will show the entire calculations or entire structural parameters of the protein here in terms of the atom residues and the chain A, chain B, then it depends upon the how many chains protein have, and then miscellaneous, that heteroatoms, even waters things will be there. Grouping, if you group, that things will be incorporating here, and then calculation. We are going to group it also, right? Is clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
now, can you open that what do you say, that hands-on training, and just see the steps? What are the steps is given? So now
Yes, sir.
already you know that proteins having that trichostatin TSN 502 positions and trichostatin 504 positions. So probably one is for that A chain, another is the for the B chain, right? Similarly, 501 positions zinc is there for A chain, and 503 positions zinc is there for the B chain, right? It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you just select this one. So can we open that, what do you say, Lab manual.
So you uploaded 2 yesterday, sir. Which one do you want us to open?
Fourth one, fourth.
Fourth one. Yes, sir. It's open.
Have you opened?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So any one of you can tell the steps now, so that you also follow. All of you follow. Just
Sir,
you
should
tell
I
the
share my
step.
screen?
Because
If you
I
want.
can do here. I can do here. No problem. Right. But
Okay.
if you tell the step now, I'll be doing, right? So that you can understand.
Okay.
It's clear?
Yeah. So should I tell the steps, sir?
Yeah, you read the steps. I will be doing. All others also should follow the same thing.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
I know the steps I can do within 1 and 2 minutes. But it
Yes.
won't come to your mind. All of you, please open the lab manual. And one of you read the steps, each steps. And all of you see that how I'm doing it. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Now you tell the steps one by one, so that,
I'll read.
yeah, please.
Read, sir.
Open the web browser and type in the Brookhaven Protein Data Bank web address, and in the search field, type 1C3R. Download.
That is the step how you retrieve that protein structure from PDB.
This is the data part.
Already we have downloaded the structure, 1C3R. Yes? Did you
Yes.
check it out in first step?
No, sir. First step is fine.
First step is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then,
Step 2, expand the molecule preview tool of 1C3R and open up the residue miscellaneous folder to show the sulfonamide inhibitor TSN. You should see something like this. So step 2.
okay, what did it just say? That go to the molecular tree view. Already is open. First step is over. It's open. I have downloaded the structure from data bank 1C3R, and already I will show you here. Can you see 1C3R in that folder from where I have uploaded this structure in Argus Lab? You have seen, na? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So second step, what does it say?
To expand the molecule tree view tool of 1C3R located on the left side, and to open up the residue or miscellaneous folder to show the sulfonamide inhibitor.
Okay. So I have opened that miscellaneous folder. Is showing that 502 TSN. Can you see there?
Yes, sir.
504, 501, right? Yes? Yes?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that should be open like this. Okay? Already
Yes.
is there? Right. In this, three chains are there, 2 chains, but I have removed the chains. Right?
Yes.
You do like that only, right? Okay?
Yes.
So now what is that? Now second part. This has having 3 part actually. First part already is clear for you. Procedure 1. Right?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
second is that ligand and binding site group. And third part will be that docking the ligand into the defined binding site. Is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So first part is clear. Second part is that now.
Ligand and binding site.
Huh?
Ligand and binding site group.
Okay. So in that first step,
Left click on 502 TSN in the tree view to select HDA inhibitor.
okay,
It should appear yellow in color.
okay, and then yellow in color. But for me, it depends upon the laptop. For me, it's coming red, right?
Okay.
Yes. Then they are asking, right?
Select the edit.
Then they are asking,
Select the edit or hide unselected menu option to hide all the atoms that are not selected.
okay. So that's why they are asking to
No,
right
sir,
click
not
on
that, sir.
hide it.
No, not that, sir.
I think the atom that is not selected.
Sir, edit. The option on your file. Edit is there, yeah.
No, that's fine. Right?
So there's an option near file, edit.
sir, beside
That's okay.
hide.
I'm just okay. Fine. That is edit file hide. That same thing is there.
Hide
Hide
unselected.
Hide unselected, and this also, and there also it will be